Chicken Tikka Biryani. .5 kgs of boneless chicken. Add 1 ts of ginger garlic paste. Add 300 grams of curd. 2 tsps of red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 tsp of coriander, cumin powder, 1 tsp of turmeric, 1 tsp of garam masala powder, and 1 tsp of tikka masala, and 3-4 lemon juice. Add little red food color and mix very nicely. Leave marination for 1 hour. Add oil in a heated kadai. Put marinated chicken pieces in oil. Fry them. Fry nicely. Flip on other side and fry. Fry until crisp and golden brown. Time to remove fried chicken. Meanwhile, put water in a big utensil on other stove to boil and add whole garam masala in it and add rock salt as per taste. Add 2 bay leaves and cover with lid. Fry the remaining chicken pieces. Fried chicken tikkas are ready. Water is boiling. Add 2 kgs of soaked basmati rice. Give a nice mix. Let it cook. In the same oil, add 3-4 finely chopped onion. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add 4 finely chopped tomatoes. Add salt to taste. Mix and cook until tomatoes are soft and tender. Once the tomatoes are soft, add in it leftover gravy of marinated chicken. Mix it well and cook for 8-10 minutes. Now add fried chicken tikka pieces. Coat chicken tikka nicely with gravy. Chicken tikka yakni is done. Turn off stove. Let's check rice. Up to 80% rice is cooked. Strain water from rice. Turn on stove and put any pan or tawa on it. Place an utensil on tawa. Pour 2 teaspoons of oil. Time to layer biryani. Add firstly rice. Spread evenly. Now spread chicken tikka yakni on rice. Sprinkle some chopped mint and coriander leaves. Repeat the layering process. Garnish with chopped mint, coriander leaves. Add fried onion. Spread few drops of red food color. Cover lid and put it for dum. Let it be on dum for 12–15 minutes on high to medium flame. Biryani is done well, turn off flame. Tasty chicken tikka biryani is done. Time to dish out chicken tikka biryani. Delicious chicken tikka biryani is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.